China is counting on cutting-edge architecture to dazzle the world during the 2008 Olympics. But the road has been rocky for these mega projects. They've struggled with whopping price tags and enormous engineering challenges. And now, China Central Television, known as CCTV, is erecting the most astonishing building of them all. A mind-bending, back-bending behemoth that takes the skyscraper and twists it into a radical new shape.
As you move around the building or in perspective, actually nothing is ever at the right angle or nothing is ever the same.
It's a Escher-like loop, almost optical illusion.
The CCTV building's been called a twisted donut. Two leaning towers, bent at the top and linked together by a gravity-defying bridge. The cost of Beijing's other mega projects has raised eyebrows. This one has dropped jaws to the floor. Fast-tracked for completion before the 2008 Olympics. Its astronomical price tag totals $800 million.
The most expensive building in the world, yeah.
Forget its nearly $1 billion cost. No matter what its price tag, this building is extreme.
It's quite true that it broke basically all rules.
The ultimate challenge is how to get its slanting, leaning, twisting shape to stand up, as its massive overhanging bridge throws off its center of gravity.
The center of mass of the building is not coincide with the center, so there is an inherent overturning moment.
To counter the force of gravity, architects will make the Z-shaped building's base a counterweight.
We also have a very robust foundation system with piles underneath the building, which will basically hold the whole building in place.
But just getting this amazing structure to stand is not enough. Not when it'll be standing in a major earthquake zone. Using special software, engineers can predict how buildings will perform in an earthquake.
We can see by milliseconds how the building would actually move and form.
If the steel breaks, the building could collapse.
We're looking to see that the steel deforms and forms plastic hinges rather than the weld or the bolts break.
The goal is to keep the building standing, so even if it does deform, people can still get out. With these structural problems solved, the design team moves on to a very basic question. Can anyone actually build this? Not the least of their worries is the overhanging bridge.
Many people pick up on and question the safety or concerned about the safety of this. That is a very natural and obvious thing to ask.
The bridge supports the building by propping the two towers against each other. But building it this high depends on a daring high-wire construction plan.
It is unprecedented construction. It's unprecedented for China and unprecedented for the world.
The solution? Build up the two towers first to counterweight the bridge as it slowly grows out from both sides. Then, the moment of truth, connecting the bridge in the middle.
And that connection needs to be tough enough and strong enough to deal with the fact that suddenly the building has become one, not two. From that point onwards, they are working together. If one tower wants to move one way, the other one has to go with it.
Workers will have only 1 hour to make over 40 connections between the two towers. They'll have only one chance to get it right.
To be able to connect it at that time will be quite a big relief for everybody.
But no one building, not even CCTV, can express China's ambition to host a perfect Olympics. By its side will sit an equally unusual companion.